Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage favorite functions for iRobot Roomba 676. And to do this you'll need to pair your robot with the iRobot app. I shown you how to do that previously, so be sure to check it out. Now we can scroll down for the favorites inside this app, click on it, then select this plus button. You'll see the name of your favorite action. You can name it however you like, change its color to identify it faster. Then we can change the time limit for that action, for example 15 minutes. Create the favorite like that. We can also call out this action using our Google Assistant, but I don't want to do that. And here's the action, and you can start it with the play button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.